Today, we're revealing 5 of the best budget 4K drones, perfect for beginners, travelers, and content creators who want stunning aerial footage without spending a fortune. First up is the DJI Mini 4K, a powerful drone under 249 grams that packs serious camera tech for its size. It features a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, ensuring silky smooth video even in windy conditions. Want to shoot cinematic clips? Use its QuickShots like Helix, Boomerang, and Rocket with just a tap. It offers up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and level 5 wind resistance. That's up to 38 kilometers per hour. Flight time? Up to 31 minutes with a single battery, and you can choose from up to 3 battery sets for longer shoots. It's beginner-friendly, supports one-tap takeoff, and auto-returns safely with GPS-based return to home. And best of all, no FAA registration is required for recreational use in the US. All product links are in the description below, so check them out and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews, gear comparisons, and trend picks. Coming in next is the Holy Stone HS360S, a foldable GPS drone tailored for beginners and aerial creators. It also weighs under 250 grams, so no FAA or remote ID hassle. This sleek drone sports a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 1/3-inch Galaxicor CMOS sensor, delivering 3,840 by 2,160 pixels crisp video and wide 85-degree angle shots. Its 10,000 feet control range and Wi-Fi-free real-time streaming using a direct smartphone cable connection are standout features. With 20 minutes of flight time, auto return home, and smart GPS tracking, it's reliable and safe even if you lose signal. Want something creative? Use Holy Stone's intelligent flight modes like Spiral Up, Catapult, and One-Tap Ascension. Perfect for content creators on the go. Meet the ultra-portable and intelligent DJI Neo, weighing just 135 grams, even lighter than most smartphones. This drone is controller-free out of the box. Yes, you can launch it with a palm takeoff, use voice control, or control it via the mobile app. Perfect for outdoor fun, family adventures, and spontaneous vlogging. Despite its compact size, it delivers 4K stabilized video, thanks to DJI's robust wind resistance and stabilization tech. Neo includes subject tracking, 8 QuickShots, and full propeller guards, a great choice for new pilots. And with 3 included batteries, you'll enjoy up to 54 minutes of total flight time, ensuring the fun doesn't end early. Looking for a pro-level experience in a beginner-friendly package? The Potensic ATOM 2 is a beast in disguise, offering 48-megapixel 8K photos and 4K HDR video with a Sony half-inch CMOS sensor. With PixSync 4.0 transmission, you get a stable 10-kilometer range and 1080p at 30 frames per second live view. It weighs just 249 grams, requires no registration, and includes features like AI Track, AI Night Shot, Panoramic, Dolly Zoom, Slow Motion, and more. The 96-minute total flight time thanks to 3 quick charging batteries makes it perfect for long outdoor sessions. And with a smart remote and full accessory kit, this one's ideal for travel, vlogging, or leveling up your drone game. Last but definitely not least is the DJI Mini 3, bundled with the high-end DJI RC remote, which features a built-in 5.5-inch HD screen. Capture breathtaking 4K HDR videos with dual native ISO, even in bright or low light conditions. Its true vertical shooting is perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. You'll get 38 minutes of flight time per battery, or extended up to 51 minutes with the optional Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. And just like the others, it supports 10 kilometers of video transmission, GPS return to home, QuickShots, and requires no FAA registration for recreational use. A premium option that's still lightweight, compact, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're capturing travel moments, creating content, or just exploring the skies, these drones give you pro-level visuals at a budget-friendly price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech reviews from Pick My Trends.